Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and speed up your MacBook? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, we're going to talk about login items or the apps that are going to be starting up at login. Simply go ahead and click on this Apple logo and click on system settings. And on this right over here, simply search for login just like that and click on login items and extensions. As you can see, there's a bunch of things that are right over here. This is how exactly you don't want it to look like. So if there are any random things, just go ahead and get rid of all these login startups. Also turn off everything that you don't actually want to have it running in the background. So just go through it. You can always come back and turn it on or turn it off. However, just make sure that you check everything and then just get rid of everything if you don't want any. Go ahead and check if any other things are running in the background. So these could be fine. These don't affect my computer anyways. And now the second thing you want to do is open your Spotlight search by pressing Command and space and search for activity monitor. So just like that, and go ahead and open this. So once you go ahead and open this, there are going to be a lot of applications that you can see right over here that are running. However, make sure that there aren't any applications that you downloaded running in the background, which is consuming your CPU, your memory, your disk space, your energy space, right? So there isn't any except for Figma Agent, which I can always just simply go ahead and click on this button to stop it and force quit. So it's as simple as that. Once you've done that, now all you need to do is simply try restarting your PC one more time, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.